Okay, so now we get into some fun stuff. While moving the left rear window in the open position. Right, so let's just take these things first now. So the left rear window, left rear window open from the passenger sub switch. Okay, left rear is right here, left rear from the passenger sub switch. So this one. So this is going to be open, right? So let's do this in another color right now. What's that actually tell us to do? Tells us to do the red, the positive in red, and the negative in blue. All right, so let's do this. Let's take this. Let's make it black. And let's go to the left rear passenger sub switch, left rear, and switch it to open. Okay. So now it wants us to trace the red from the fuse to the motor and the negative in blue. All right. So we know from here that that left rear switch, if I do this, I lost it. Let me do this. Let's take this. Let's go to red. Let's bring this down. All right, we got to bring these back here. And we could keep zooming back here to see what we got going on. Okay. So now we know, what do we know? We know that this center thing is red. Right? We know that comes up like this. And it goes over like this. And it goes up here. And it goes over like this. Up through this. And all the way. I messed up. My mouse pad got stuck. Right? There's our red power feed. And then it tells us the negative should be blue. We're going to take blue. And now that's got to go this way. And let's follow it, see where it goes. Right? There's our left rear switch, right? It said, while moving the left rear window to the open position from the passenger sub switch. And that's what we're doing. Right? So now it tells us, let's take this, and let's make it black. While moving the right front window open from the master switch. The right front window open from the master switch. This secret word is walks. Right? That's our new switch location. And it tells us trace the positive in green. Well, we're going to use a different green. No, we can use that green. That green works. So this is going to be positive. Right? Well, we know that this top one was power, right? And this must go, where's it go? It goes like this. And it tells us the orange should be negative. So let's see, we got orange? We do got orange. How about that? So that must be this one. And there we go. Right? While moving the right front window open from the master switch. Power, ground, and the motor goes this way. Right? Kind of nifty.